Who's ready to meet the cutest new family member? Say hello to Whiskers. Whiskers has been waiting patiently at the shelter, dreaming of a cozy home. And today, his dream comes true. Watch as he explores every corner, pouncing and bouncing around with pure joy. His tiny paws and big, curious eyes are sure to steal your heart. From cuddling on the couch to chasing his favorite toy, Whiskers is living his best life. If this little guy's story warms your heart, don't forget to hit subscribe and join the Animal Forever family. Because everyone deserves a second chance just like Whiskers.